Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing my favorite K-beauty product that I think is perfect for beginner in makeup, or if you want that clean girl aesthetics, I think you would love this too. You can find all the products that I'll be mentioning at Stylevana. This is my favorite and trusted one-stop online shop for K-beauty. You can find all the trendiest Asian fashion and beauty products here. They also have a wide range of Korean beauty products to choose from. And as a gift to all my viewers, you can receive a discount every time you buy at Stylevana using my code INF10. So the first product I'm loving right now is the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotic Sunscreen. This has gone viral on social media as one of the best Korean sunscreens at the moment. It has a lotion-like texture, it's not heavy, and it spreads evenly. It also doesn't have any white cast, so I love it under makeup or just by itself. First, it looks very moisturizing, but within a few minutes, it feels weightless and leaves a very nice natural sheen on the skin, which is perfect for my oily combination skin. There's no drying alcohols, there's no synthetic fragrance, there's also no essential oils. So this is perfect for people with sensitive skin. I really love this under makeup, especially for everyday makeup, because it provides such a very good base, plus it offers sun protection. I usually put foundation first for my makeup routine before concealer, but I want to show you guys how good this concealer is. This is the VD Cosmetics Pro Cica Tiger Light Fit Concealer. It has a very blendable formula with a high adhesion polymer that minimizes smudging. It applies thinly, but it has a very high coverage. You can see how flawless this covered my dark spot without it looking heavy on my skin. It just really fused into my skin while hiding my imperfections. It also gives a powdery finish when it dries down, so it's very long lasting. And it's a plus that it has good skincare ingredients. When you're covering a pimple, it would not only cover it, but it would also soothe your skin. It also has a tea tree extract to improve acne and green propolis extract that has anti-inflammatory property. So not only does it give you coverage, it also helps in improving your skin. The next K-beauty product that I'm loving is the UNLEASHIA Satin Wear Healthy Green Cushion. Now, I have tried many cushion foundation before, but this one just blew me away. First off, it's vegan. It's infused with skin-soothing and nourishing ingredients like papaya fruit extract, bakuchiol, and the parsley extract. And it also has SPF 30 PA++, so it also protects your skin from sun damage. But what I really love is their packaging. Traditional cushion foundations are so unhygienic since the foundation is soaked in a foam and it can easily be contaminated because you always dip your puff in there, maybe dirty or clean. So it's easily contaminated. This one has an airless packaging. So this, you just have to push the button on the side and it pumps out fresh foundation from the holes. And it really minimizes contamination that is common in traditional cushion foundation. It's also refillable, so once you're done with it, you just have to buy the refill. It's also easy to apply. It has a medium to almost full coverage. I have used the shade 21N, and it's already summer here in Canada, so this looks very light on my skin right now, but it comes in 4 shades and I just added 23W in my cart to suit my current skin tone because I really love this cushion foundation. It has a satin finish. I don't usually set this with powder when I'm using it because it wears really long on my face. The next product should be in your kit, especially if you're a beginner in makeup. This is the AMUSE Vegan Face All Palette in the shade Peach Glow. The palette includes a blush, 4 eyeshadow shades, and a highlighter. For a pinky glow eye, I start with the peach matte shadow on my crease, and then I use this ginger velvet shadow on my lid. And then I wet my finger with FRUDIA setting spray, which I'm also going to mention later on this video. And I swipe peach shimmer to put on my lid. This gives me that trendy pink Korean eyeshadow look. It's so pretty on. And then I use the blush on my cheeks. This is not very pigmented, which I find is very common on Korean makeup palette because most of them are really beginner friendly, and it will give you just a subtle peach pigment on your cheeks. And then I put the highlighter on top of my cheeks, top of my nose, and inner corner of my eyes. So back to the eyes, I'm loving this Heimish Dailism Smudge Stop Mascara. This really lengthens my lashes and it keeps it very separated and not clumpy. It's a very wet mascara, so it doesn't keep my super straight lashes up. So I let this dry first and then I use my heated lash curl. And after using that heated lash curler, I love this mascara more because now I can really see the length on my lashes. It also doesn't really smudge. And what's very unique about this is that it doesn't give you panda eyes when you remove it. You can just use warm water and it magically rolls off. I love how clean my lashes and under eyes look like just by using water. Usually with smudge-proof mascara, it's really hard to remove. And most of the time when I'm removing them, I'm removing the mascara along with my natural lash because I really have to be sometimes abrasive with it just to remove all the mascara on my lashes. But this is the easiest mascara to remove. Next up, my favorite lip product. A tube of this lip tint sells every 3 minutes. This is the Peripera Ink Airy Velvet Tint. I got one of their most popular shade, which is 04 Pretty Pink. I love using this to do a Korean gradient lips. I first apply concealer all over my lips, and then I apply the lip tint in the center of my lips, and then I press my lips together to distribute the product. And I repeat these steps until I see the gradient. The texture of this tint is so smooth. It makes the lines on my lips look less visible, so my lips look smoother. It spreads really easily on the lips and also on the skin. That's why I also use this on my cheeks as a blush. It's so velvety and has a medium consistency. So the last product that I'm going to show you guys is the FRUDIA Proust Perfect Shield Makeup Setting Fixer. It's also a vegan product. It has a very fine mist. It really envelopes your skin with that mist and it smells amazing. You can use it by spraying it directly on your face, or you can also use a puff and then apply the puff on your face to really smoothen out your foundation and keep it intact. Or you can also put this on a brush when you do your eye makeup. This one is a fixed film polymer that prevents moisture from escaping on your skin. So it keeps your face looking moisturized all day with a subtle glow, all along while keeping your makeup intact for the whole day. So these are my top 7 K-beauty favorites, especially for beginners. I love them all so much. They're all individually so unique with good skincare ingredients. So don't forget to check them all out at Elvana and use my code INF10. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions that I didn't cover on this video, just comment down below. I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. And please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is up. Thank you so much else again for watching. I'll see you on my next one.